Next question, question number 15, that is cut. 16, 17 is also cut, only 18 is there. But I'll be doing this. Two lamps, one rated 100 watt at 220 volt and the other 60 watt at 220 volt are connected in parallel to electric main supply. Parallel है तो अगर एक बंद होगा तो दूसरा नहीं बंद होगा. What current is drawn? You have to find out I from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt. Okay, it's a simple question. Wherever I am doing this cut, that is excluded. But better you write down. When you are preparing, then don't do. But when you write down, write every question. Two lamps is part of question. So P1 is 100 watt. P2 is 60 watt. V is 220 volt. Total power 100 plus 60, 160 watt. This is, spelling is this one, okay, W-A-T-T. We have to find out I. So we have formula P is equal to VI. We have this formula, so I will be P by V. What is P? 160. V 220. Cancellation 8 by 11, and when I divide, I will be getting I is equal to 0.73 ampere. It was simple. Next, 16. Which uses more energy, a 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes? 1 hour and 10 minutes. So if I see one time, then I make out that toaster will be taking. But let us solve and see the wonder. So what two things are there? For TV set I have power, I have time, and for toaster also I have power, I have time. Whenever hour and minutes are coming, you have to convert it into seconds. When hour is there, then you have to multiply by 3600, and minutes are then you have to multiply by 60. Okay. For TV set, P is equal to 250, T is equal to 1 hour, 3600 second. We have this formula, H is equal to PT. H is equal to energy. Energy means the heat is used. Okay. Heat energy formula. Heat is equal to PT. H is equal to 250 into 3600, this much. And H is equal to kilojoule. I can make out, so these three I can. Okay. So this will be giving you kilo. So F1H, that is TV set, 900 kilojoule energy is to be used. We go for toaster, same way. P is equal to 1200, T is equal to 10 minutes into 60, will be getting 600 second. H is equal to PT, 1200 into 600, 72,0000, and kilojoule if you want to convert, then okay, this will be giving you kilojoule. Now compare 900 kilojoule, 720 kilojoule. From the question you were thinking that toaster would be taking more. No, when you calculate, it is clear that 900 kilojoule TV set is consuming and the 720 toaster. So last sentence, thus we can say that TV set consumes more power than that of toaster. Okay, this interesting question. Last question, an electric heater of resistance 8 ohm. These all are practical questions. Okay, if a school would be running, I would have been explained you more well. An electric heater of resistance 8 ohm, 8 ohm resistance, draws 15 ampere from the service main 2 hours. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed in the toaster. Okay, so these things you write down, and then we have to find out power. P is equal to question mark, R is equal to 8 ohm, I is equal to 15 ampere, T is equal to 2 hour. The rate at which, this can be asked in 1 mark also, this the rate at which heat is developed in the heater means its electric power. So you can have this idea of 1 mark question, the rate at which heat is developed in the heater or any resistor means its electric power. So we have to find out power. P is equal to I square R. We have the things. Here I don't think so T will be used. Just they are talking about they have consumed this much power. I square 15 into 15 are 8, and this is enough, which is equal to 225 into 8. So therefore P is equal to 1800 watt. Okay, and final answer you can write from textbook now. So here we have finished, and these all questions already we have done. Question number 18, this already I have given you and you have learned also. We have asked in semester exams also. Okay, so here we have finished our chapter, and next week next chapter will start. Okay, bye bye.